Hello, you're welcome to our class today, Study Guide Forum. Today we'll be looking at a question that has to do with the law of motion, that is Newton's law. As basically, the question is coming from, I can say it's coming from second law of motion. In this one, we are given a question said that the horizontal force of 0.8 Newton acts on a body of mass 0.4 kg, and there is a resistance of 0.12 Newton opposing the first force. What acceleration will be produced? So we're trying to find the acceleration that we produce when this thing happens with the resistance acting on it. So now you know that the two forces seems to be, since one is resisting the other or opposing the motion of the other, it means that one is going against the other one. In that case, let's see a sketch. Let's just take a sketch of what is happening in this question. We have 0.4 kg. This is the mass, the object in question, and let's say the force acting on it is heading this way. That force is what? Say the force of 0.8 Newton heading the other way. The one that is opposing it should be going the opposite direction, which we know is 0.12 Newton. So the first thing we're going to do here is to resolve. In order to get what we are asked to calculate, we are going to resolve the two forces. Resolving the two forces means that the R will be we'll have 0.8 minus 0.12. That will give us let's do the work here. We have to give us 8, so that will give us 6.0. Now we have, that will be, resultant will be 0.68 Newton. That is the resultant force that is acting on the object. So since it's the resultant force, the R, it means that force, we all know that force is equal to mass times A, which is where A is what? The acceleration. A is equal to acceleration. That is the acceleration we are looking for. The acceleration of this motion. That's the acceleration we are looking for. And the M is equal to what? The mass of the object in question. That's the mass of the object in question. And this is the force. The force now, we know our force to be 0.68 Newton. And this our mass is 0.4 kilogram. So to find this acceleration, what we do here is we can say our force is equal to mass and A times A. Then we have our force to be 0.68 equal to mass times A, the one we are looking for. If we divide through, we have our A to be equal to 0.68 divided by 0.4. That will give us 1.7 Newton. That is the is it Newton? No, it's not Newton. Acceleration, sorry, it's not Newton. That will be meter per second square. All right, thank you so much for being part of the class. And if you have not subscribed, make sure you subscribe. I would like to read your comments. Make sure you make your comments so that I'll be able to communicate with you. Thank you so much.